everybody, it's me, Rebecca, the Bexa Boss Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I got an email which sparked this video that I hit 2 million video views on this channel, which is absolutely unbelievable. I never in a million years thought that, 200 people would watch my channel, let alone 2 million video views total on all my videos. So that's very exciting for me. And I wanted to pop on here, obviously, and tell everyone thank you to those of you who have watched over the years and have really, seen the change in the videos and hopefully for the better. I, as many of you, have been struggling in 2020 with this pandemic. It's really been kind of a wild ride. We moved to Connecticut, and 2 months after that, everything got shut down for the pandemic. So we really haven't been able to explore or do anything. And my life's just been pretty boring for the past, 7 months now. So I really have not been super motivated to do videos. I was thrifting a whole lot less. My resale business is lower than it normally is. Simply because I have just been stuck in the house and I am terrified of getting the coronavirus because I have all sorts of other health issues. And so I'm really worried that, it will pretty negatively impact my health. And so I've been taking all the precautions that I need to, which means I've been staying in a lot. And so I needed to find an outlet for this. Now I posted in my last video, I was a haul video, and I posted some artwork that I had been doing, but I don't think I really told the story of how I ended up getting into that. But back in the day, in my 20s, I decorated cakes, and mostly I did them for friends and family. And so during this whole pandemic, I was talking to my husband, the data guru, and I'm like, I think I need something to do. I need to stop watching Netflix. I need to get off the social media and the internet, and I need something to do. So I kind of started doing research on these new cakes that I really saw and I thought would be really fun to make. And they were these geode cakes, and they're made with, sugar and rocks. And they're just like the most sugar rocks, I should say. Hopefully no one's putting rocks in their actual cakes. But, they're these beautiful geode cakes. And my husband was like, do you want us to weigh 500 pounds by the end of this pandemic? We know no one here. There's no one for us to share the wealth of cake decorating with. And so he was right, obviously, that was not really probably the most practical use of my time. And so as I was searching these geode cakes, I stumbled upon this geode art. And that is how I got into making these incredible geode art pieces with resin and quartz and stones and crystals and all these beautiful things over the past, it's been almost a year now. And so by doing the art, it has really taken my mind away from social media, from YouTube, from everything else that is going on. And I noticed over several months that, my migraines have started to go down a lot. I am now like 37 days without a migraine. I'm noticing that I just have more energy. I'm doing more things. I'm being able to be more active at the house. You also saw in my last video that we adopted a little dog named Willow. The dogs are at daycare today, so they won't be making an appearance on this video, but I'm sure they will soon. But she is just a bundle of joy. She's only a year and a half, and so she's very playful and has lots of energy. And so that has also given me kind of a boost in mood and energy to be able to do things with her. And obviously we live now in this beautiful place. Not that we didn't live in a beautiful place before, but be able to get out and maybe go to the beach and take a walk so we're not around other people, or, explore dog parks and that kind of stuff. So it's been quite a year for us. Like I said, my sales have been steady, but they're really nothing to write home about. In the beginning of the year, I was all excited. We had just moved to Connecticut. There was great thrifting here. I really had my mindset on finally hitting, 6 figures in 1 year. And I'm probably going to get about 80% of that. So it's not what I thought it was going to be, but you know, for what it is and what kind of a year it has been, I'm happy. I'm happy with how things are going. And like many of you know, my health has been really good, and over the years it's been really bad. And so that has really motivated me to do all this other stuff. So in that spirit, I am going to still be doing reselling videos, but I'm going to start maybe showing some more about, you know, how I organize, how I save money. My brother-in-law at Christmas asked me when the last time I paid full price for something was, which, you know, is very rare. He's like, you know, well, what haven't you bought where you got a deal? And so I do find a lot of stuff like that. And I think it would be useful information to everyone here, even if it's not reselling content, it will be related to that kind of thing, like how to organize your inventory, how to organize your office, you know, how to save money. Those kind of things will hopefully still bring you educational and informational content, a little entertainment on the way, all at the same time, I should say. And then I'm also venturing into a new uncharted territory for me. I've started a art channel, which will just kind of do some tutorials of what I've learned and failed upon. Oh my God, I've failed so many times doing this art stuff, but I think I finally figured some of it out enough to share, you know, my failures and my successes enough with everyone else. So if you want to subscribe to that channel, it's Bexa Boss Designs, and it's going to cover a wide range of art, not just the geode art. I've learned to make bows under, you know, this quarantine. I've done tree toppers. I love doing wreaths. So there's a lot of different things that I'm going to be adding for that channel, but I really didn't think it was a good fit to put art content under this channel because they're really two separate things. So hopefully moving forward, you're going to stick around and we are going to have all sorts of new content. I'm really motivated now. You know, 2020 was 2020. It is what it is. And I'm wishing you all the best of health and wealth in 2021. And with that, I am going to end this short little video, but I just wanted to pop on here and say that I am healthy, I'm well, I'm very happy now that we are almost at the end of this year. And I have finally kind of made peace with myself. And that's been a huge eye-opener moving throughout this year. So yeah, I'm really happy with how things are going. I'm hoping you'll be able to see that in the upcoming videos. And I have a renewed sense of energy and excitement and passion for creating these videos and for helping all of you. So welcome back to me and to all of you. I love, you know, blah, blah, blah. I love replying to your comments. I love, you know, helping you guys. So I'm hoping I can do way more of that in 2021. So if you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. If you unsubscribe, you know, that's what is going to happen when you kind of change your content a little bit. But hopefully you'll stick around and realize that it's going to be relevant information anyway, moving forward. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.